Hey, welcome back to Stiletto Renos. On today's episode, we're going to be installing this beautiful light fixture. The tools that we need for the job are our step ladder, we need a drill, we need our wire cutters, and then we're also going to test the wires in the box. So we'll need this, it's a beepy testy thing, which I'm going to say is probably called a wire tester. Just a guess. Okay, let's get at it. This is what came in the package. So we have our light fixture, the shades, we have our bolts here, and then we also have our mounting plate and these two little nubbins. So we are going to take these bolts, and as you can see, there's holes here. So depending on the size of your junction box, we're going to screw this into the junction box. And then, so this is now going to be attached to the junction box. Then this fixture comes like this. These go through the holes. And then we have our nubbins here, which then get screwed in and hold it into place. And if you don't know how to screw in a light bulb, well, you're just effed. Here we are, and we have our junction box above us, and we're just gonna check to see which is the power going in and which is the power going out, because there is a lot of wires. Normally there's only 3, but we have 5 in here right now, so we need to test which is which. So normally there would be 1 white wire, 1 black wire, and a green wire, but we have a white wire and we have a blue wire. So I'm going to guess that the blue wire is technically our power coming in, like it should be the black. So there's power running to this right now, and we have the light switch on. So I'm just going to test this. Okay, so that means that yes, there is power going to it. And now if you want to turn the light switch off, and then we're going to test it again. Okay, and nothing happens. So that means that that switch is controlling that wire. So now we know which is which, and we're going to do our black to black, white to white, green to green. And we're going to turn the breaker off and we'll install the light fixture. Okay, power off. The mounting plate is installed, so now we're just going to prep the fixture to be hung. So this is extraordinarily long, so we're just gonna, I would say probably like between 8 and 12 inches, we're gonna cut it. And then we'll strip the last inch of the wire, and then we just marette it all together. Okay, let me just see here. So these bolts are way too long, so we need to just adjust these nuts up here. So I'm going to take pliers and loosen these up a little bit. And turn, oh my God. Why? Why is this so hard? Fuck. Now we're installing the shades, and then we'll screw in the lights, and then we'll be all finished. Oh, and it doesn't go like that. It must go like this. No, it doesn't. This is way too small. How am I supposed to do this? I can't do this. I don't have like mini child fingers. I literally can't do this. Like, my fingers are just not long enough. Okay, now hopefully this spacer thingy goes on here. Oh my God, please. Please. Ah! Okay. Oh my God, please. Why is this so hard? Why? Oh my God. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. Oh my God. This is exceedingly difficult.
You break it?
Ah! And that is how you install a light fixture.